Hello, this is the MESC-Miner.com channel. Custom firmware is here to stay. In this video, we'll show you how to flash manufacturer locked miners using the T21 as an example. Bitmain has released a new firmware update for all new models younger than March 24, 2024, and they have disabled updates for custom firmware. However, this is not an issue for our firmware. We have prepared our program for you, which will be able to update such firmwares, and we'll demonstrate this using the T21 original interface. I have only the control board enabled, without hashboards. This will be enough to demonstrate the technique you need to apply to update similar firmwares that are locked from custom firmware updates. Here we see March 22, 2024. All firmwares newer than this date are blocked. To unlock, it will be necessary to flash the T21 with the standard stock recovery from S21. We will provide a link to it in the video description, and you can also find it on our Telegram channel. I updated the control board via the USB port on the S21 from February 2, 2024. This firmware version has unlocked the possibility of installing custom firmwares. Next, we go to IP settings and change the host name from Antminer to T21. Press save. Now our program will recognize the device as an S21, but the host name will indicate that it is a reflashed T21. We need to press upgrade and wait for the program to update the device. Our firmware installation program is now available on Linux, macOS, and Windows platforms. Additionally, we've added the capability for installation on mobile devices like Raspberry Pi. In this case, you can install Raspberry Pi with our web server in your local network and connect to it from any device within the local network, or create an external link and connect from any point in the world to your device. It sees the entire network, allowing you to manage, reflash, update, and monitor all devices. So, the firmware is installed. The T21 firmware is installed. Currently, there is no data here because we have only connected the control board. On a live device, you will receive full data as usual with our firmwares. In this video, you have seen that with our firmware, you can continue to use our solutions with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on our channel in upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, write to us on our Telegram technical support channel or in the comments below the video.